Hello everyone, welcome back. I made some switches and some other stuff here I'm going to give away. It'll be in the description below. I'm going to try to go over all these. Got a lot going on right here. These are the 7 that come in the pack. Once again, they're free. I'll show you at the end of this how to save them in the macro folder. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why I have it on the screen. And to search any of these, it's right in the tool menu. Just space. And if you want one of the switches, just start typing switch. If you don't remember the full name of it. That's my switch, the 2-way switch. Range switch is mine. The merge switch. And the button switch. And there they'll be. Okay, I'm going to go over these. We'll start with the Chrome. That's the Chrome that I made. There's Resolve's Chrome. So he's got this dingy brown bottom on it. And again, there's mine. I did notice it does not work very well on a sphere. But if they're flat surfaces, or even a tube or something, it looks fine. Only on a sphere, it doesn't look right. And then I have this node for shaders. You select it. Look at the inspector, you have a browse for the shader and texture. When you select it, you have to navigate to your folder. There's a shader. And if you look right now at the bump scale, it isn't doing anything. So add a texture, and now look at it. Then I got a range switch. That's if you want to gradually go from one thing to another. And you can right click on it. Go to modify width. And I'm curved. Then I got a merge switch. That's my media in. And if I turn the merge switch on, it'll turn on and off whatever's connected to the green input, the foreground. And you can add those right in your macro. That's good if you have a lot of different things you want to turn on and off. And a pass-through switch, just turn it off, shuts everything off, and on, turn it back on. Now the 2-way switch, you have object 1 and object 2. It jumps from one to the other. You would think the resolve switch that comes in here would work with just one thing, like the button switch, but it doesn't. It works like this one. You have to have 2 inputs on it. Like I said, you can find them all in the menu. Now to find your folder to put them in, when you get it, hold the Windows key down and hit R. Type in C:// program data. Hit OK. Then go to Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, and Macros. You probably won't see anything in there if you haven't put nothing in yet. And don't worry, you can delete them and they'll come back out of there. It'll be an empty folder. Then just drag them from the zip that I give you and drop them in here. And then just shift space and type in what you're looking for. Here's my Chrome bump. I'm glad I looked at that. I forgot about that one. Okay, the Chrome bump. I'll also have a browse button for texture. Maybe hit the height scale up. The more you go, the rougher it'll be. Well, I think that's all of them. Any questions? Ask me in the comments and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.